Mornings in Viera start with resort-style amenities and a neighborhood built around lifestyle. Having a golf cart in Viera is a must, and lucky for you, this listing comes with one. Located in Avalonia, this waterfront villa offers newer construction and low-maintenance living in a peaceful setting. Built in 2021, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers just under 1,500 square feet. The primary suite includes a walk-in closet, double sinks, and a large walk-in shower. The premium waterfront lot delivers peaceful water views and added privacy. If you'd like to see this in person, reach out anytime.